Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Chainlink Link from Binance to your Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're holding some Link on Binance and want to move it to a more secure spot like Trust Wallet for better control, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a verified Binance account with Chainlink tokens in your Spot Wallet and Trust Wallet installed on your phone or device. Also, ensure you've added the Chainlink network to Trust Wallet. It's usually under the BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum, since Link is commonly on those. If you haven't done that, pause here and add it quickly. Step 1. Log into your Binance account on the website or app. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet to see your assets. Find Chainlink Link in your list and click on Withdraw next to it. Next, you'll need to enter the withdrawal details. In the Network field, choose the correct one for Chainlink, probably BNB Smart Chain or Ethereum, depending on where your link is held. Then, paste your Trust Wallet address. Pro tip: always copy and paste the address directly from Trust Wallet to avoid typos. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, making sure it's above the minimum limit, and review the network fees. Before you hit confirm, double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Once you're good, click Withdraw and confirm the transaction with any required 2FA or security measures. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. Now, switch to your Trust Wallet app. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to show up, depending on network congestion. Once it arrives, you'll see your Chainlink tokens safely in your wallet. Awesome job! Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify details to prevent losses. If you run into any issues, check Binance support or Trust Wallet's help section. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.